Welcome back. Now let's do this my project section of this page. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to check the ID that we apply to it. Okay, this is the project section, my project section where I listed the projects. So what I'm going to do now is I'll go to style.css, say projects. So I'm going to give it the project section. Let's give it a kind of a background color, and let's bring it to the center also. Let's give it background color to be, it's good to maintain consistency in your page. Let it be similar to the color here. The color here, that color is this. The color we apply is it? No, not the menu color. This one is deeper. The color we apply, okay, this color. But unfortunately, it's in RGB. Now, you can, okay, let me do something. Let me copy and go to my ChatGPT. ChatGPT, where is it? Okay, this is my ChatGPT. Say convert the following to hexadecimal color code. So what I did was I just copy the heading color and it gave me the hexadecimal equivalent. That's it. #96AEE2. So if I come down, no, it's not background attachment. I say background color, paste. So if I go back to my profile, I refresh. See that? So the color here is consistent with the color here. That's the background color. Okay. So I'm going to give it text align to be center also. What will that do? Bring everything to center. Good. Then I'm going to have a padding top. What will that do? It gives you space on top. Padding top, 50 pixels. So let that be space on top of this, my project. Good. I have that. Okay. Then, maybe I don't need to do that. Maybe we don't even need background color. Let's remove background color. This my project alone, we have background. So that is H1 tag. The H1 tag, this my project is H1 tag. So I will come to project H1. Okay. Give it color of this. It's background color. This AI stuff is becoming stubborn. Background color. Is that the color I want? Let me check. That's wonderful. No, I don't want that color. I want this particular one. So let me check the ones I've used. Okay. Let me just copy. We are going to use red, green, blue color, RGB. That's another way to give color. So if I press Shift Alt F, my code will be rearranged. Okay, I have that. So the H1 tag, the font size is 50. Is it consistent with About Me? Let's check About. The font size for is also 50 for H1 About Me. Okay, it's 50. Then padding bottom. Okay, I don't want padding bottom. I think I want a padding both bottom and top. Top to be 20 and bottom to also be 20. No, that one will not work. Everything small letters. I think that was okay. All right. Then the color itself, text color, that is color. It's going to be white. If I use white, it's not a crime. All right. So this is what I want. Then the text under it. So all this text, that is a hash project. Where does it have? Okay, there is UL. Okay, let's just hash projects. Let me check. Okay, we have paragraph. The following are my projects. It's a separate paragraph. And we have OL and LI. Okay, on that list. So what do we do? All right. So what I'm going to do right now, let's type the following are my projects first. The following are my projects. That will be paragraph. Okay. These are not the properties I want. The font size will be 25 pixels. Let's refresh. Okay. You don't even need to say the following are my project. Does it need? You are giving it title already. Let's expunge that. Shift Alt K. We delete that. Then let's focus on the OL. If I refresh that. Okay. Let's focus on the OL and the LI. So in here, it's now OL, not paragraph again. OL. I just say list style type, none. Don't forget we did similar thing for UL. We have done it before. List style type, none. Then let me shift Alt arrow down to copy that. Then LI under it. I will say font size now. Font size of 25 pixels. The font size of each of the list item. All right. So the list. Okay, this one will not be there. The list style type. I want it to be numbered. Is that not decimal? List style type. It's not working. The list style type. Colon. If you want it to be number, what do you do? It's decimal. Okay, let me check, please. I don't know why the list style type is not working, but I expect it to work. Style type, expect it to be decimal number. Then the list item. Maybe the margin top on top of each other to be 10 pixels, so that there will be space. Okay, so I have space now. I think this is okay. Then let's have footer. Website usually have footer. So we're going to create a section before the closing body. We're going to create a div. That is the section, the bottom side of every website, where we normally put copyright and so on and so forth. So that's a div. ID, we give the ID of footer, align center, and so on. And I'm giving it hash footer because we have given it ID of footer already. Okay, background color. So I want the background color to be consistent with this, with that one, with the one on top, with this color here. Then text align center. Maybe let's make the text to be left, the padding top and so on. If I refresh, so that's the footer part, the lower part of our page. I think let's make it center. Text align center. And the font size. Footer font size is not always big, maybe 15 pixels. Something like that. Battery is low, 50 pixels, and probably the color be white. So I'm going to stop. I'm going to conclude our CSS. Okay, let's make the color to be this particular head, this color. Copy and bring it here onto V and refresh. So that is it. That is our footer. You can give it height if you want. Height of maybe 300 pixels so that it can be big. Okay. So that's our footer. So this is where we're going to stop. By the time we start cloning a site, we are going to learn a lot and spend more time on CSS. But for now, I would like you to improve on this. Then also, I'm going to show you how to use AI to make your work easier, even better and more beautiful than this. Thank you for listening.